Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to quickly show you how you can bind keyboard shortcut keys in VS Code to turn on and off GitHub Copilot auto code suggestions or auto code completion. Here in my VS Code I have the Python file test.py. In this code I am going to create a class of calculator. So for this I have to write here class calculator. Here you can see that it is doing the auto code completion. So how we can turn it on or off using our keyboard keys. To bind the keys, we have to open the keyboard shortcut settings page in VS Code. For this, first press Ctrl K, then Ctrl S. It will open the keyboard shortcut setting page for you. Another way to open these settings, you can click on File, go into the Preferences and click on Keyboard Shortcuts. Next, go into the search bar and look for the github.copilot.toggle. Next, we have to bind the keyboard key with this command github.copilot.completions.toggle. For key binding, you have to click on this plus icon, or you can go on the command and do the right mouse click, then you have to select the add key binding. Now you can choose any key you want to bind with this command. You can either choose a single key or the combination of keys. In order to choose the key, you just have to simply press those keys. So first I'm going to bind just a single key. I'm going to press P. So if you want to bind a combination of keys, to revert back, first you have to press escape. This time I'm going to choose the combination in order Alt plus C. And here you can see that this key binding is already used for 4 other existing commands. So in order to avoid confusion, the best practice is always use the unique key for your command. So to revert back, again press escape. This time I'm going to choose the combination in order Control plus Alt plus P. So this key is unique and it's the best for me. Now after choosing your desired key, you can simply press enter in order to bind the key. Now here you can see that the key binding is done. Now we have to test our key binding. Now in my Python file, if I will write class calculator, right now you can see that the auto code completion is on. So to turn it off, you have to press your combination Control plus Alt plus P. Now we have to write back again our program. Now if I will write again class calculator, now you can see that the code completion is off. Now in order to turn back it on again, you can again press your set of keys Control plus Alt plus P. Now if I will write back again class calculator, now you can see that the auto code completion is on again. If you want to learn more about AI robotics and software development, you can subscribe this channel in order to make your life easier. So see you next time. Bye bye.